Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to convert text to columns. This is the Excel learning course where I have already added 28 lectures on Excel. If you have not checked all of the videos in this playlist, you can visit my YouTube channel and check all of the lectures in this Excel learning playlist. I would request you to please like this video and subscribe to my channel, as this motivates me to create such free tutorials for you. So this is the data I want to convert to Excel. First of all, I would like to tell you why do we perform this function, or why do we convert text to columns. Sometimes we import data from other softwares or some other sources, and we save that data or import that data into Excel sheet, and the data is not arranged into columns. Rather, that data is stored or saved in other sources in format other than columns. So when we import that data into Excel, that data comes here in the similar format and is not separated in separate columns. So like this data, you can see that the here is the item in the same cell, and there is the price of the item in the same cell. Like pencil is the item and then its price is $2. Similarly, this is the situation with all of the cells in this column. So if you want to show the items in this column and then the price in this column, one method which is lengthy and unprofessional one is to enter your data manually, like write item here and then price here. This will take you a lot of time because sometimes we have hundreds of thousands cells or rows of data, and that would not be humanly possible to do it manually. So we use a very good function that comes in Excel, which is called text to columns feature. The first step that you have to follow is to go to Data tab and then click on Text to Column. Rather, I would like to tell you that first of all, you have to select the range where your data is, then click on Data and then click on Text to Columns. This will create this dialog box. You have two options: delimited and fixed width. What is delimited? Characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. This means that your existing data is separated through tabs or commas, but not in separate columns. So this is the situation that is true for our data. Then I will click on Next. Now here you have different options. By default, you would have this option selected, tab. When I click on tab, then this is the result, which is not different from the existing ones. This means that my data is not separated by tab. So I will uncheck it and I will check the option which separate my data, and that is other one, and here I will write manually this dash, and you will see that my data has been separated. in two different columns, which is separated through this dash option. When you get your data separated or converted into columns, then you will click on next and then click on finish. Here we have the the items on this separate column and the price in this separate column. I hope you like this video. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel